Okay, in this video I'm going to be demonstrating the second part of Word Tutorial 2 beginning on page WD94. This has to do with applying the MLA style to a report that already exists, and we'll take a look at that file in just a second. What I have open right now is kind of a cheat sheet for the MLA style guidelines, and that handout is available in Moodle Rooms for you to print out if you'd like as well. What we're going to be working with is the newspaper file that you are instructed to open on page 94. You're going to save that file as newspaper history. So we're going to go to Save As. You can return to the same folder and adjust the file name to newspaper history. We'll save in that same tutorial folder. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and apply the style guidelines that were instructed on page 95. So I'm going to select the entire document, Control A, and I'm going to change the line spacing to double line spacing. So going up in the paragraph group, line spacing apply to. And then with all of the text still selected, we're going to go back to the same button and remove space after paragraph. That's going to get rid of all that extra spacing after each paragraph. In addition to that, we're going to increase the font size to 12. So you can either click the increase button or you can manually change the font size to 12. Now in the first paragraph we're instructed to change Kaya's name to your name. So I'm just going to type student name. That is actually going to be your name. The next section instructs us to indent our paragraphs. So there's quite a few paragraphs that discuss the different types of indents that you can apply. But regarding the MLA style, we're going to indent the first line of each body paragraph. So we're not going to be indenting the title or headings or anything like that, just the body paragraphs. So you're going to click in the first paragraph and apply a first line indent. So for that, we're instructed to go to the ruler and point to the first line indent marker up at the top, press, drag that in to the ½ mark on the ruler. So that has indented that first paragraph. When you go to the next paragraph, you can do the same thing. You can actually use the repeat command, which is the F4 function key. That will indent as well. Early news media is a heading, so we'll skip over that. So the body paragraph below that, you can also apply first line indent there. Here's another way you can do this. If you go into the paragraph dialog box where it has indentation, you can go to Special and apply first line, and it automatically wants to apply a ½ indent, and you can click OK. And that again you could repeat over and over as well. Oh, by the way, we should have our non-printing codes turned on so we can clearly see where the paragraph ends here and a new paragraph begins here. So this will repeat the same command there, which is dragging that into ½ Okay, there's the end of the paragraph. So the next paragraph, actually we can select the next few paragraphs. There's a couple of them there. And we'll apply the first line indent at the same time there. Merchant letters is a heading. We'll click the paragraph below that and repeat. And just keep doing that throughout the rest of the document. So this next paragraph, repeat. Modern American newspapers is a heading. Below that, repeat. And this this paragraph. Repeat. I'm not sure how long this paragraph is, so I'm going to do each one of these separately. Repeat. Okay, that's still the same paragraph. Looking to the future is a heading, so these last couple of paragraphs here I'll select at the same time and repeat once again. Okay, now we're going to go back to the top of the document. So Control Home will take us back to the top. Page 98 discusses inserting and modifying page numbers. What we're going to be doing is inserting a page number to appear at the top of the page on all pages except for the first page. And we're going to adjust the page numbering so it has our last name just before the page number. So the command is insert, and over here in the header and footer section, page number, we want our page number in the top right corner, so we're going to choose the option plain number 3. This actually creates a header that will appear on all pages. You can see the insertion point is right before the page number code. You're going to type in your last name. So I'm just going to use the word last name, and then don't forget to hit the space bar so that you have a space before the page number code. So understand that the number that is there is really not a number. It is a page number code, so it turns to a shade of gray, and that is a field code that will automatically read the page number from Word. Now, because we do want to suppress this on the first page, we're going to turn on the option up here, because we're in the header and footer tools. We're going to apply the option that says different first page. So if you click that and turn that on, you'll see it disappears from the first page. This is now a first page header. If I go to the next header, you'll see now that that header has the last name and the page number as well. So here I can close header and footer, and if I preview this document, go to File, Print, here's page 1. Down here I'm going to scroll, click to the second page. There you'll see there's your header indicating the correct page number. Now it's page number 2, the next page is page number 3, etc. Okay, so that did work fine. So that takes us through page WD 100, and I'm going to stop there. I'll continue in the next video with creating citations and bibliographies.